Good morning, everyone. It's Monday morning, 6:30. I just put a cup of coffee face mask on and I'm getting ready for my day, so let's go. If you guys are new, be sure to subscribe. Hi, I'm Kinsey. Okay, let's go. Good morning. I am awake now. I'm finally ready. It's like 7:15. I have a meeting at Cha-Cha Matcha at I think 8:30 on Robertson, which is like my favorite area. So today is Monday. It's not gonna be like a normal repetitive Monday vlog for me though, hopefully. Really excited for this upcoming week because I only have like 3 weeks left of school, and this upcoming weekend we're all going to Big Bear, and I was thinking, no, I feel like I am gonna vlog it. It would be such a mistake to not vlog that. We would really want to see that. So I'm gonna take you guys to Big Bear. It's like my entire program, so like Ryan, Sav, everyone, we're all going, and it's gonna be so fun. So I just have some work to get done today. I have 2 studio sessions, a meeting, and then I need to work at like Cha-Cha Matcha. I'm gonna work out at some point, like, you know, the whole thing. Okay, I am about to head out to Cha-Cha Matcha. We're having a meeting there. I actually haven't been to the LA one. I've only been to the New York one. Guys, I'll never get over this phone case. It's so freaking cute. It's from Not Another Bill. I had it custom made and it was way too expensive, but I love it, so it doesn't matter. Let's see, I'm probably gonna get there early, which is fine because I kind of need to prep for some things today. All right, I'm on my way. Forgot to show you guys what I'm wearing. Actually, I'm realizing that now. I'm just wearing this like white tank top that I just got from Princess Polly. This leather jacket, I honestly don't remember where I got this from. I've had it for a little bit, it's a little bit cropped. Jeans, and then my Reebok sneakers. Just like super simple. Okay, so I'm here. I'm like intermittent fasting right now, so I can't eat until noon. Then I have studio time at noon, so I need to get something before that. And I'm not drinking coffee this week, right? It's not going great. This is day 3. I don't know, I'm using my hand so much. Whenever you have acrylics, do you just like, all the time? But I'm like dead, really dead. So my meeting just ended. It was really great. It is so loud here. I'm at Cha-Cha Matcha. I'm just doing some reading. I did have matcha this morning. This is not coffee. Just got an iced matcha. I didn't vlog because it was a meeting. It was really good. It's really hot out right now, so I'm wearing this tank top. But I'm reading, and then I'm gonna plan out my podcast. I'm recording a solo podcast, and I've been so back and forth on what I'm gonna do. But I have like a while, so I'm gonna plan the podcast and then head up to the studio. But yeah, today was really good, honestly. I've been in a weird funk. I haven't vlogged in 2 weeks. One, the first week was because I just like took a week off, and then last week was just a weird week, and so we're back. It's amazing. Okay, so I just made my favorites. I'm doing like a favorites video, like not video, a favorites podcast for basically everything. So books, podcast, makeup, clothing, skincare, miscellaneous, just random stuff. I have so many things that I can do, so I'm really excited about that. We're gonna be recording that in like an hour and a half. Leaving Cha-Cha Matcha. I have some food that I'm gonna bring to the studio. I can't eat yet, but I'm being proactive. I got so much done. This has just been such a good morning. I really needed this, you know? Okay, like I was saying, it is so hot. So, the meeting, oh my gosh, ow. I have mentioned this before, I think, but I feel like I really appreciate when people are like, tell a lot about their lives in vlogs. So, I feel like I've mentioned this before, but you guys don't know, normally with a YouTube channel, like you have a manager, like a 360 manager. I've had a 360 manager for like ever, but I decided I wanted to go elsewhere, basically. It is so freaking hot, oh my gosh. So I just been meeting with different managers. Today went really well. We'll see what happens. That's been like not a stressor of mine, but like I think with like business decisions in general, you don't want to rush them, and I found myself like, I always put myself in bad decisions because I rush things. Wow, this is like this is a revelation that I'm having right now. Oh my gosh, I have my hydro flask. I feel like Lauren from the Skinny Confidential right now. I'm going to Dear Media soon. Yeah, I feel like I just rushed, and I've been trying to not rush and making a really good decision. So that's what I've been doing. That's what I've been meeting up for. But Cha-Cha Matcha is so freaking cute. I've never been to the LA one until today. If you guys live here, go to that Cha-Cha Matcha. It's amazing. This is the area that I want to live in. Like, I want to be in LA for forever, which is crazy, I know, and I want to live around here. Just putting that out into the world right now. Whew, it's hot. Okay, so I think I'm gonna listen to a podcast. I have like, my parking was up, and I have like an hour and a half until I have to be at the studio, which is like 10 minutes from here. I think I'm gonna drive around and listen to a podcast, like make sure I have everything done. The thing about this is I feel like I actually get so much work done on my car sometimes when I'm like rushing. But my podcast is planned for the day, which I never do last minute, but I was like really just wanted to see what I was feeling for that day. You know, so we're gonna be doing a favorites podcast, which I'm excited about. And then later I'm gonna be recording for someone else's podcast, and then tomorrow we're gonna be recording together for mine, so I'm gonna be in the studio tomorrow as well. I'm feeling good. Sometimes, okay, I talk about this all the time. I'm gonna give a little analogy. You know what, I'm gonna do this my podcast intro. Let me quickly write this down. So, I don't know who needs this. I've needed this. So, engine oil level, are you joking? I literally just took my car in for the coolant, and now it's saying my engine oil level is below minimum, and I have to take my car to Big Bear this weekend. Ah, awesome. Like I was saying, I feel like sometimes in life we get so focused on like the one thing that's like not going great, or like whatever it is. Like I feel like I have so many amazing things that are going on, and then like one bad thing will happen, and because I haven't dealt with the 10 other bad things that have happened, that seems like a big deal. And then I really think about it, and I'm like, I actually don't care, which is like kind of harsh, but the truth, right? Not in general. I think it's okay to have feelings, but basically what I'm saying is, like, okay, think about it when you, like, think about if you're in a classroom and there's a big whiteboard and there's a black dot on the screen, or on the board, not on the screen, very digital, and the teacher's like, what do you guys see? You're gonna see, you see a black dot, not you see an entire whiteboard, right? So I feel like so often we focus so much on the small black dot that literally doesn't matter at all, and like not on the whole thing, so we miss the entire point. Does that make sense? I don't know who needed that today. I just felt like saying that. I'm gonna talk about that on the podcast too. But sometimes you just need to get out of your house and your routine and like who you're always with or what you're always doing, and just go do things. Like for me, when I work, it like gives me so much life, you know? So whenever I question if I'm even supposed to be doing this, which I do because everyone does that, this is what I need to remember. Really just going on a rant today, guys, but I think that this is good. So I'm gonna go drive around, pick out my future house maybe, who knows? And then I'll see you guys at the studio. So I'm now just eating a little snack on the rooftop of the studio before I go in to record. I got this from Cha-Cha Matcha. It's the banana oats. It looks really good. It says it has dates in it, which is really what sold me. So, very excited. In the studio. Great. To kind of understand, listen to the podcast because it's so good and I just love it. It's like, I listen every Wednesday morning. It drops every Wednesday. It drops like it's a mixtape, like what am I saying? But I listen every Wednesday morning, so check it out. I love Armchair Expert. I don't listen to every single one of Armchair Experts because I feel like there's so many of them and they're long, but I love that about them. I have been listening to Armchair Expert basically, I want to say since it like first started. And alright guys, I just finished my solo podcast recording. As you guys saw, I just did an episode that's like completely on all of my favorites, so that'll be up soon. But I'm actually recording for someone else's podcast like I mentioned, and I'm really excited. But I was replying to an email because they like sent me all the like info and whatever, and I was like, perfect. But this just shows that I live in LA, right? It like, they sent me in that email parking info, and for some reason my email like auto-filled, and I was like, thanks so much. So I was like, what's parking like? Like as an autofill? Because like emails do that. I don't know, my Gmail does that sometimes. But they had already given it to me, so it was embarrassing. But I was like, I'm so sorry. I saw that you just told me exactly what I asked you. So anyways, I'm on my, oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm on my way to Sweetgreen. I'm just gonna pick up some lunch. You have to get the Hollywood Bowl at Sweetgreen. It will change your life. I don't care about anything else. I mean, they have all really good things, but like Sweetgreen is like my go-to, and the Hollywood Bowl is the best ever. Why is this truck? So we're on our way to get some lunch, and then the recording is like around here, so I just need to stay in this area. It's in like an hour and a half though, so I've got some time. The Hollywood Bowl to go. This is the best salad in the world. Okay. So I'm back in my car. Sweetgreen was so packed. I actually have a friend who works there, so I was like, hey. But that's the convenient thing about going to school in West Hollywood, is that you have friends who work at like Sweetgreen, Alfred, used to be Verve, lots of places that are convenient. But I got the Hollywood Bowl. I feel like so much of this, a work day is like so much of it is spent in my car, because I have to go from like place to place, and it's LA, you can't go home. So I'm gonna eat this. I have like an hour until my next appointment, or like it's a recording, I don't know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna eat this and like probably watch the latest Boo message. I listened to a transformation one this morning too. Guys, I'm just feeling so much better today than I have been for the past few days. It's amazing. Love what you do, love life, whatever. So I'm gonna watch that and then head off to my meeting. But honestly, like, this is just the best salad. Like, I really hope all of you guys are blessed with Sweetgreen, because it is just the best thing you'll ever have. Like, also, I wanna live here. I didn't record while I was in the recording, but it was really good. I just recorded for the You Can't Sit With Us podcast. I loved it. I think it's gonna be really funny, and I'm really excited. We're gonna record for mine tomorrow. I've said this so many times in this vlog already. I'm gonna head home. It's 3:35. There's actually an Orange Theory under this building. I wish I would have known that, and then I would have just taken a class, but whatever. I'm gonna take one later tonight, but I'm gonna head home now and do some laundry, clean up, do like some house stuff and some to-dos, and then I think I have Orange Theory at like 6:55 or something, so I have it later. I'm gonna work out. It's gonna be great. Okay, I'm back, but as you guys can see, my room is very messy. I have to fix all of my sheets because I wash them all the time now, and I need to put my laundry away and just like fix everything in my room. So I don't have a workout class for like 2 more hours, but I'm gonna change into like my fitness clothing. Also, Lululemon just emailed me, which is really cool. But I'm gonna do some work and get ready and like whatever. You guys will see my room will be so clean, and then when I come home tonight, it's gonna feel so good. So I'm gonna change. Currently listening to Gals on the Go. Just put away oh my gosh, just put away so many clothes. I have so many new Princess Polly clothes. If you guys haven't seen the vlog, check it out. My room is so much better. I have my essential oils going. My bed's all fixed. I still need to get new pillows. I just want to completely redo this. As you guys know, whatever, I'm so over it. But everything is just so much cleaner. My essential oils are going. I have my slippers on. Looks amazing. So now I think I'm just gonna sit on my dresser and actually get some stuff done, and just go on my laptop and like stay in my room, because there's like a lot of people over and I just like don't want to move my room. But ooh, so that is what I'm doing. It has been a very good Monday, a very, very good day. Oh my gosh. So I'm currently pre-uploading a video. I've been doing a lot of stuff. I made a to-do list. It's just not been that fun. It's honestly like tedious stuff I want to be done with. So I think I'm gonna make some dinner and then get ready for Orange Theory and maybe do like a few more small things on here. Checking off your to-do list is literally just like the best thing ever. Q&A thumbnail done, sent ID in. Yeah, this is good. For dinner, I'm just gonna heat up, well for dinner I just heated up some meal prep that I can have. This is like a standard meal prep. It's my favorite meal in the world. On my way to Orange Theory. How many clips have there been of me leaving Orange Theory in 2019? So many. So I am leaving class. It was good. Honestly, not my hardest workout ever, but like I'm dead. I look great. Awesome. I'm back home. I'm about to shower and change into some pajamas and then get a little bit more work done. Guys, okay, I have to show you. I've definitely already talked about this, but this Himalayan salt lamp, whatever, nightlight, like I turn all the lights off in the bathroom and then I shower with just this on, and it's the most relaxing thing ever. $15 on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Amazon Prime, of course. It's amazing. Okay, I'm about to listen to Thick and Thin. This is like one of my favorite podcasts. It's my favorite nighttime podcast. It's like the best thing to listen to. I think I'm going to... It hasn't been updating on my like normal hasn't been updating on my Apple Podcasts though, which is weird. So I'm gonna like catch up on Spotify. Ooh, it's not connected to my speaker. I'm doing really, really boring paperwork stuff. Like, could not be more boring. But I think I've listened to like 4 or 5 podcasts today. Like, I've listened to so many. Also, Coco, come here. Coco got a bath this weekend. Coco, you look so cute. And please don't do that. She has a little cute bandana on. Oh my gosh, what a good dog. Aww. Look how cute. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with her. So, okay, paws on my shirt, whatever it is. I'm hoping that I finish this very soon. I'm now on my bed doing homework and just like random stuff. But for some reason, I'm really craving an English muffin with peanut butter. So I think I'm gonna make that and I might just call it a night and relax and like watch a show or something and go to bed because I have to wake up really early and I have like a really full week ahead, but it's gonna be a really exciting one. Like, I'm so excited for this week because we have Big Bear and it's gonna be so fun. So I think I'm gonna make food. I'm so freaking tired. Okay, so now I have my amazing snack. My room feels so good. Oh my gosh. Getting my iPad out so I can watch some Netflix. I have this urge to rewatch Gossip Girl right now, so I think that is what I'm going to do. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. So excited for like the constant daily vlogs this summer, and they're gonna be so different than like my life's in a routine right now, and it's just very like I do the same things because I only have like 2 days off of class a week basically. You guys get what I'm saying, but this summer they're gonna be so fun, so I'm really excited. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Stay tuned for this week in my life because we're going to Big Bear and I'm very excited. But love you guys so much and I'll talk to you soon.